Hi guys, Noah here and welcome to this second Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to go into some details concerning the word Tubaimuna and the word Wafwako. Tubaimuna or Tubaimunai means we greet you or I greet you. It can be used first as a matinal salutation or good morning, and secondly it can be used at the first time you meet with somebody of which you have been separated for a long time despite the time. So Tubaimunai or Tubaimuna means we greet you. It can be used as a matinal salutation and it can be used at any time during the day when you meet with somebody with which you have been separated for a long time. Secondly, we have the word Wafwako or Mwafwaiko. Mwafwaiko is the plural form of Wafwako. Wafwako is singular, Mwafwaiko is plural. Wafwako or Mwafwaiko has the meaning of thank you and it transcends it. It can also be used as a congratulation for someone who succeeds. Secondly, it can also be used as a message of compassion for someone who is suffering. And thirdly, it has also the meaning of condolences for someone who has lost someone dear to them. So the word Wafwako is singular for one person. Mwafwaiko is plural for many persons, or you can also use Mwafwaiko when there is one person to show a form of respect. Wafwako or Mwafwaiko has the meaning of thank you and it transcends it. It can also be used as a congratulation for someone who succeeds. It also has the meaning of compassion for someone who is suffering. It also has the meaning of condolences for someone who has lost someone dear to them. So we are going to review. There is the word Tubaimuna or Tubaimunai. Some people pronounce it differently. Some pronounce Tubaimuna, others pronounce Tubaimunai. So in both cases, it is mutually intelligible. Whether you say Tubaimuna or Tubaimunai, you are going to be understood. It means we greet you and or I greet you. It is a matinal salutation and can be used at any time during the day when you meet with somebody with which you have been separated for a long time. Secondly, we have Wafwako, singular, Mwafwaiko, plural. For many people, Mwafwaiko can also be used for one person to show respect. It has the meaning of thank you and it transcends it. It can also be used as a congratulation for someone who succeeds. It can also be used as a compassion message for someone who is suffering, and it can also be used as condolences for someone who has lost someone dear to them. Thanks guys, that is all for this tutorial. Please subscribe and like the video. You can also check the link below to my other social networking profile. We'll see each other in the next video. Bye.